Meet the EcoFlow River 2, your lightweight portable power station built for life on the go. It comes with a 256 watts per hour LFP battery with over 3000 cycles at 80% DOD, giving you up to 10 years of reliable power packed with a 5-year warranty. It charges from 0 to 100% in just 60 minutes, faster than any other power station in its class. Monitors and manage power anytime, anywhere. You can download the EcoFlow app from your App Store or Play Store. It's perfect for everyone: campers, students, travelers, and many more. You can order yours today at RightClick Technologies Ltd. Scan the QR code or visit www.rightclickng.com or visit our stores at Suite CO8 FR Mall Extension Area 11 K2 FCT Abuja or Suite CO5 Amazing Base Plaza number 27 Sule Street Mangoro Bus Stop Ikeja, Lagos. For more information, call +234 8094 661403 or +234 7031 310390.